Hello friends, today I'm doing unboxing of sneakers from that I've got. They are from Zappos and the name of them is called Hoka. It came in this box. It's blue box and I've got them in size 10.5 and it's the name is Hoka Bondi 7 and it's in white. So it looks like this. Let's take them out. Ta-da! I already tried them on. Inside I have these inserts too. So I've got these ones. They looks really nice. Someone returned because they are out of stock already, this color, so I had to look if someone returned them, and I saw one day someone returned and size 10.5 wide, so I've got it. And it looks like this. It looks like this. They are like light blue. I will have to change the lens, it's so nice. Okay, now I'm on Canon lens, which is 17 to 40 millimeters. This one will be louder, but at least it can focus when I show you close-ups. It's more focused. So it looks like this. They are blue, light blue. We have navy laces. Here back looks like this. At least I like that they have similar length here and here, because my Adidas Ultra Boost 19, they are not similar. See, this part is shorter in the sole and is not. I don't know why they did it, because when I did those in these sneakers longer walks, I felt pain on this side, which is inside of the foot. All the way it was pain, because it was not even. That's why those Adidas with uneven soles, they are not good for longer walks, just short ones. And these ones are even. And they have here, this part is like made from some nice material, and here they are stripes that I think they are for dark situations. They repel light when you walk in dark or at night in darkness. And then what else we have? You have a thing inside. They have thick foam here around the heel, and the tongue is also thick. And I changed the insoles in them, so now we have show insoles. But I will show you how original looks like. There should be, here we are. Original looks like this. Hoka One. So I changed them for these ones. And this is wide, because I also have another one, so they are fine too, but I was afraid they will not, with the walking way a little bit adjusted, but I was afraid they will not, so I got the wide also, and they They are even better because they are a little bit wider. And I like the sole because it is thick one sole. Maybe this part is a little over the shoe going, but not much. But they have this thick sole which allows the feet to feel the walking like it's walking like on the foamy thing, and you don't feel ground as much, which is good for longer walks because you have like it's called absorption, or it's called they retain some impact. When you put on ground, they like make some bouncy, like on trampoline. They bounce back, and you don't feel so much of the ground, and that's good because your feet will be more protected. And I like the colors in those because here is nice pink, here is orange, and also here orange, and here, and this is blue, so it match many outfit colors. So looks like this. It has here like middle part, and here on both sides is covered with rubber for the slip protection, anti-slip protection. Yeah, so they are really nice. I will try them on, and you will see how they look on me. So look in comparison to the Hoka Bondi 7. In comparison, they looks like this in comparison. They are both wide, but this looks a little slimmer and smaller, and even they almost a little bit shorter, but this is 10.5 and this is 10, that's why. So that wouldn't compare, but this one looks narrower. And when it comes to the sole, how to compare it? Maybe from back first. Sole looks like these ones have thicker ones, slightly, and this one has more dented here and the center, and the sides, these ones are thicker a little bit, but slightly, even this part is thicker. So this might be better, but if you want to have less bulky shoes, I would go with these ones. Because some people say that this makes them better for running. So if you want to have better shoes for running, like, or doing errands faster way, so keep this one or get one. These ones might be more bulky, but who knows? I still have to test them out in real life. So that's it for this video. Hope you enjoy such unboxing. Don't forget to give thumbs up and subscribe for future videos. See you in the next one. Bye.